Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the Worx Axis. It's a 2-in-1 saw, multi-purpose saw that is. Please help us with a thumbs up. I'm not paid by the Worx or anybody on this video, so I'm going to do a walkthrough and do a pros and cons and a demo as well. So this product could be used to cut branches, wood, steel, aluminum, a lot of items, and they come with 4 blades, which is a great bargain. It comes with a 3-year warranty as well. This is a 20-volt maximum lithium battery, lithium-ion battery. This is the manual on the product. Over here you got the registration card. Always good to register, I guess. It gives you a 3-year warranty on it. It won't break the next day, I assume. You got the charger, and they give you a manual for that as well. Battery charger has its own manual. Also, you got more information on the warranty and some advertisement, which I'm not going to go into. Okay, so let's get started here. So let's look at the blades. I like to get blades, even though they may not be the best blades. You got the steel blade over here. The tooth is really small on that one. And you got the timber, which is for cutting branches and stuff like that. And you got this other one, the aluminum one, the yellow one, okay? Of course, we got the wood one, which we're going to do a demo on. Notice they all have the little hole in the middle at the end, and also a little slip in. So that's how you tie it in. Here's the battery charger. Just slide in and plug it in into the wall. I haven't tested how long it takes to charge, so if you have that answer, maybe you want to post it in the comments below. That will help others out. But I did use it quite a bit though. So I noticed when over here you have to slide it in. If you don't align it, it won't go in. You have to take it back out. It just clicks. Notice there's different levels. Blinking means charging. Solid means all done. Red means something else. It means the battery may be done as well. Plug it into the wall. Push the button on the side, and this thing comes out. By the way, this is a 20-volt battery, and you could get a spare one as well. Always good to have an extra spare battery just in case the other one runs out. So you want to finish your project. So this one, and again, it's just slide in. There's no battery indicator on the battery. You want to just align it correctly to slide in. That's the thing too. Not the best high-level plastic, but it works. So just click on this button. This is the cane saw. Hit that switch over there, and you're squeezing it. Now you're back to being a jigsaw again. So it's a great handy tool. There is a lock function here. I don't really use it. It seems to be just for show. It didn't seem to work for me when I tried it earlier, so I'm not going to go in detail on that one. So on this lever, you need to not push it up. See, if you push it up, nothing happens. Nothing happens. So you push it down. There's a spring action. You feed that thing into the hole. So this is the back of the unit. Not much to see as a part number. I'll post that in the description as well too. Of course, the lock we already talked about. Okay, so we got the blade, and I'm going to feed it in. So of course, oh, by the way, it's best to take the battery out before you do this. Of course, well, I'm doing it already right now, so I'm not going to take it out. So you feed in this way because you want to cut in a different direction. Notice the little hole and notch. Feed in like that. You have to feed all the way in, otherwise it won't catch. So I'm doing a demonstration why it doesn't catch right now. Push it down, keep hands. Now it catches. See, it went all the way in. Maybe I should just do that again. Alright. Can't get the best camera angle here, unfortunately. Sorry about that. So you have to feed into that thing, the little slit. It's like a notch. Feed it in, press down, then it'll catch, and it's solid. You test it out, make sure it doesn't fall out first. Okay, so I have this demonstration on the wood over here. Let me move this little clamp. This is in the way of my cut. Let's see. Do a demonstration. Okay, so right now, it's still in the way. I'm going to move it again. Sorry. So I'm just gonna do a straight cut jigsaw. A lot of power. Control is a different story. It's not very smooth, but it works really well. It does the job. I think you could probably cut slower, I guess. But I'm just doing a demonstration to show you there's a lot of power in this unit. Then the battery is fully charged. So I'm just gonna do another demonstration as a reciprocating saw. Not that smooth. Great tool. Don't get me wrong. Okay, just press it. It'll cut. So you can see there's not a lot of control, but it does the job. So you want to cut some branches or cut some wood, you know, or something that you don't care about quality. Maybe this thing will work. Positive and negative. Great tool, portable, small. Like to have a battery indicator in the end. All right. So there's no battery indicator, and you have to slide it 100%, you know, correctly. Otherwise, it won't go in. Very portable, very small. Great saw to have. So I still recommend it, you know, a lot. I think 90% yes, because it's great and it's portable, and you use it to cut even this wood. So, you know, look at the quality. So, you know, I did cut it fast. Of course, I could do a better job, but definitely has the power. It won't leave you behind. It's a great quality tool from Worx Axis. I hope you liked the demo and hope you like my review. I really appreciate a thumbs up. I need some thumbs up, and you know, for the time here. And I'll see you next time. Bye.